Hi, this is Matt with another amateur instructional video. Today we're going to be covering the OOSSXX 16-channel DVR security camera system again. In particular, I want to cover the new XVR app and how to be able to access the system remotely on your mobile device. So first of all, I want to show you how to do that, how to find actually your device ID or cloud ID on the system so that you can go ahead and set the app up on your phone. Today we're going to be using an iPhone to do that. So we're going to right click the screen, we're going to go to main menu, we're going to click system, we'll click network next, then we're going to click net service, and that right there, that cloud, that's your cloud ID or your device ID. That's what you're going to be able to use for the XVR app to be able to find your console. So we can also double click that, and alternatively you can scan the iPhone QR code or the Android QR code depending on the operating system you're running. So let's go ahead and set this up. I have my iPhone set up here with the XVR app already installed. We're going to click that. The first thing you're going to do once you get into the app, actually I'm going to show you how to log out so that I can show you how to log in. Okay, here we are. So the first time you open the app, you can click register as a new user. Select your username, password, confirm that password, and then you can create your own custom security question in case you need to reset your password in the future if you get locked out of your account. And then of course you click sign up. There's no email verification. Okay, so back to where I was at. I've set up a test ID for the purpose of this test. I'm going to go ahead and enter my password here so that I can log in. Okay, so now that we're in the app, we're going to click the top left right here. We're going to go to devices and we're going to add our console. Okay, that happened to close prematurely here on me. Let me log in one more time. That usually does not happen. I don't think that's ever happened actually to me. Okay, we're back here. So we're going to click the button up here at the top left. We're going to go to devices. Okay, so now you'll click the plus sign to add a new device. As I've been testing it, there are already a few devices here. Type, leave it as GID. Name, give it whatever name you'd like, okay? The GID at that point, that is going to be your cloud ID, your device ID. You can click the QR sign here, and you can actually scan the QR code on the screen over here that we showed you earlier. Additionally, you have a Wi-Fi option where you can actually have it try to search and find the device for you, okay? Or you can actually enter the device yourself. So in this case, you'd enter the WH12, whatever your device ID is, okay? Then you're going to use your username, which by default is admin for the console, and the password is blank for the console. Now, if you've created a new username and password for your console, then that's what you put in there. The auto get and the channel, it should be able to configure that on its own. Go ahead and click save, and then your devices should show up. So for the purpose of this test, we did ABC. We'll click that. Now, once you click it, you need to make sure that you click start preview down here. And that's going to start it up for you where you can now see your cameras. I only have one camera operating in night vision mode right now just to test this, but I want to go through some of these settings so you understand what you can do here. You can take a screenshot, you can take a video. Right now it shows that I've got the volume off. You can also zoom in. Up here you can also double click the screen that you want to look at and it will maximize it for you. Additionally, it's working in standard definition right now. The mic's off, and then this is your pan, tilt, zoom control right there if you have a pan, tilt, zoom camera. Additionally, and of course you can change, right now it's set for 4, you can set it for 16 cameras since this is a 16 channel console. Additionally, if you click back up here, you can look at some demos that have already been taken using the camera system and the app itself. You have devices where we were just at. Live view is what we were just looking at when we did our preview. Playback is going to let you look at some video footage you've already taken. You can cycle through the various time and date here. And you can also record using video, screenshot, play. You can fast forward if you want. Additionally, you've got messages from your alarm information if you've set that up. You've got images or videos that you've taken that are saved there on your phone locally. User Center will allow you to log out like I showed you initially. You can also modify your password, or reset your verification question if you'd like to do that. Last, settings just has about or help information about the versioning, how to use the app. You've got a lock screen mechanism. Video style, we have it on full screen. You could change it to original by default. But as you see, this application is very robust and it works very well to remotely control your OOSSXX DVR security camera system. So again, thank you. This is Matt with another amateur instructional video. Hope you guys have a great day.